Stop crying. Look at my grandma. Stop crying. Love you. Is it recording? Hello, jewels and gems. It is officially my day to go to Miami. So it's not August the 8th, but it's August the 7th. And as you can see, I am in a new car. You can't see. I am in a new whip. New shit, new bitch, new motherfucking doing everything. Look, no, just playing, y'all. I probably edit that part out. I can't rap. But yes, your girl has a new car. Thank you, Toyota. And all my stuff is in the back. And unfortunately, you can't really see much because I have a trunk now. So normally, you know, moving day last year, you could see every single thing because my trunk was a part of my car. But this year, it's not like that. So I am heading to my hotel that's on Hollywood Beach right now. My mom is ahead of me. She's way in Lake Placid. I just got through Avon Park. If anybody's from Florida and ever drives US 27, you kind of know the distance between us right now. But yeah, so we're doing big things, popping and little things. Stop it, alright? Oh, I got my thing on and I'm just driving. It's supposed to be driving for me. Oh snap, let me turn it back on. Oh. Here we go. I almost veered off. And turn it back on. And where am I at? 60. Set it. And go up. Sit. Alright, 65. I just put it on cruise control. I used to couldn't do that. But yeah, so I just want to talk to you guys real quick because tomorrow you will be seeing part of my struggle, baby. It's a struggle to move in. So you'll be seeing part of that. And I'll be back. Oh, here we go. We live. Look at my baby. Came to bring her home to Miami. And look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Can we say our first stop?
No, this wasn't our first stop.
Memorial Hospital in Fort Lauderdale.
And here we are, folks.
Oh, we here.
Yeah. Sometime and let me tell you something about this. It's a lady that's been out there hollering for the longest shit. It's finally her cover. I'm so sick of her. We had to close our door, y'all. And eat. Okay. Look, why the fuck I look like this? I've been in the hospital all night. I can't even really wash my hands how I want to. This shit, I'm so ready to go. And I'm stuck in until they finish. Like, my breath stank. My phone dead. I'm hungry again. Terrible moving day. Terrible. They got me food, guys. I got food. Look. It looks nasty, but it's food. I'll live. Let me tell you something, guys. After being in the hospital for a whole day, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get my room together. I don't want to give you guys a sneak peek. But back to what I was saying. After being in the hospital for hours, tested over and over again, and trying to do my room the way I envisioned it. I love that. Envisioned it over the break. However, it's not going to come together exactly how I envisioned it for a lot of reasons, more than one. So I'll just show you what my plan B looks like when I'm done. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I had so many up here. I had to take them off. I'm finally about to take a shower for real this time. So I just gotta I gotta go by the storage to get some stuff out of my storage, but I need to buy a bin to put it in. It looks funny. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah. Nobody ever believes me when I tell them that my storage is full to the top. So I'm about to show y'all how full the storage is. I put 2 keys on there for safety reasons. I got a lot of things going on. I can't get my safe bar key. It's like it's glue in it. Oh, is this the wrong key? Oh, this is the wrong key. Yeah, this is the wrong key. This is the key. This is my storage. Full to the top. Let's get stuff out. Hello, welcome to my crib. So when you first walk in, you go over here to our kitchen. I don't have my refrigerator. It's coming in the mail tomorrow. This is our sink area. Let me pull back. Over here where the mirror will be my microwave and my refrigerator once I get it. Up here I have my seasonings, something to drink, something to eat on, some more stuff like my silverware and stuff. Don't mind the table's dirty. This is just the living area. This is this. Don't mind my empty box. Then it's the door that doesn't open. Oh, who's this? The girl with all the hips and the cute face. Girl, hey. No, just saying. Hi guys, it's me out of the hospital. And this is where my roommate will be. She's still not here yet. That's fine. That's why I'm recording tonight instead of tomorrow when I actually finish, because I don't know if she's gonna be okay with it. And then our bathroom isn't done because I'm gonna wait till she gets here, but I have my rag, and right here for the water when it comes out on the floor, I have all my little knickknacks, paddywhacks. This is how it looks inside of here in case you're wondering how much bathroom space you get. This is it. This is all you get. This is how much under the, I just put that there just to put it there. Under the sink space you get. Then this is my room. When you first walk in, my dresser is literally right by the door. I did this on purpose. And I'll get into, okay, so this is just everything that I'm gonna use this semester for, like Smell Good, lotion, my bikini zone stuff, all that, my medicines in those 2 crates. My dirty clothes is behind my bed. Like my tennis shoes underneath my bed. My other shoes, you can kind of see, it's real dark under there. All my shoes are going down here. All my, what's in here? My hair products get those 2 bins. This is my extra clothes that don't match the hangers that go in here. These are just my bins that I decided, you know what, instead of under the bed, this shit, they're gonna go out to the side next to the closet so I can just see them. And I wanted my bed to be lower this year so I don't have to worry about all that. Behind the door is my purses and my bath stuff. Boom. Over here is where my scheduler will be. It will stay here. My TV will be up here with my DVDs, and my computer is underneath my bed. I have my HDMI cord behind my computer. I mean behind my TV. So yeah. This is all my clothes. I have more clothes coming in the mail from my orders, but this is all my clothes I hung up. And then I have my clothes, my pants, all down here. And my jackets, all in here. And this semester, this is all there is. I know you're like, what? Why is this hanging up there? That's up there because I'm waiting on the maintenance guys to come tomorrow so they can fix it, because I don't have a cable piece nowhere in this room so I can watch cable on my TV. So I'm gonna wait till they come and they can grab my cord and they can create a cable piece. So that's pretty much everything, guys. This semester was totally different. I don't know my roommate this semester. I don't know if she's gonna come. I'm just trying to like enjoy the moment. And I actually have like, oh, I didn't even say, I decided to do a neat little idea. Let's see if you can see in the dark. So under my bed will be these lightings to glow at night. And I just think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it like this. And I like it. So yeah. Bye guys.